Hello, welcome back to my adventures in Thailand. My name's Jason and today I'm going to be attempting to fit a kitchen in there, or at least make a start on it. I've got some tools, I've got some wood. The only problem is I've never done any carpentry before in my life, so let's see how this one pans out. Okay, so I thought I would try something easy to start with. There's going to be a countertop along here, a longer stack there with the oven and microwave, and some cupboards here. So these are the things I'm going to be trying to do today, the cupboards. So I'll start off nice and easy. If that works, then I'll try and attempt to make the rest of it. But yeah, we're going to put some cupboards in here. So when I say I've never done any carpentry before, I have done kind of builder's work. I'm used to building or using metal, and I like to think that I can take my hand to anything as long as I give it a good try. I've got some tools here. I've used a lot of these tools before, but yeah, let's see how this is going to go. So I've made some plans. I've drawn up what I want to achieve. I'm going to have two doors, a plate here, because where that's going to be, there's going to be an extractor fan, so we won't be able to pull open the door there anyway. I've done a list of the cutting sizes. So I'm used to cutting sheets of metal. I'm hoping it's just going to be sort of a similar thing, but cutting wood. So I've done a list of the bits of wood that I want to cut, the sizes that I need. So I've drawn up a plan. This is the sheet. Done the best sort of way of cutting it to get the most out of the wood. I'm hopefully going to get all of the side plates cut out of one sheet. So my first job is to cut all of the plates out of this ply. I'm going to do that now. I'll put that onto a time-lapse video that should start now. To cut this wood is by putting a gauge here, drilling it in. I've seen them do it on building sites. Drill this in and then use this edge here to go along, to track that, and that'll keep us nice, true and steady. I don't have a table saw, unfortunately. I did a bit of a cheap Charlie, could have got one, but they were quite expensive and they didn't look that good and looked hard to set up, so I'm going with this method. Hopefully this works. If it doesn't, I'll be buying a table saw. Panels here, already in cut. I'm going to try and put them together, see how they go. Let's see what happens there. Made a few mistakes along the way. Well, one mistake, and I cut one bit wrong. They're the bits that I made wrong, but it's all a learning curve for me. I think I've done pretty well getting them cut like this. I think I'm going to sand them down a bit first, and then I'm going to try and knock them together into a cabinet that'll go on the wall. Let's see if it works. With some mango. My gorgeous fiance's just made this. Look at that. Ah, that's just golden nectar, that is. Beautiful, ripe mango. Tastes as sweet as you like. Better than any candy. So, get that energy up. That was sent from the heavens. That cost me £1. You look at it. Better than any candy or sweets you're going to get. Any chocolate. Beautiful. So back to work. Back to work. Now I've got to work out how to put these together and see if we end up with a cabinet. The cabinet is finished now, and I'm pretty happy with it, to be honest. Yeah, it's pretty flush most places. Where it's not flush, I could do with a plane. And all I've got is a sander. The other tools I bought a staple thing. I don't know whether these staples, I've got some nails and I've also got some screws. I don't really know whether, I mean, it feels pretty sturdy now. These staples are light nails. I've got nails as well. I can put nails in. I don't know. I'm not fussed about whether you can see the staples on the side. I think I'm going to give it a lick of paint so that, you know, it looks a lot better. But, yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Pretty happy with that sort of finish. It's not done yet, so I'll put you back onto the time lapse. Finished now. It looks pretty good. That's what I set out to make, and that's what we've done. We're going to paint it brown, maybe fill in the gaps. I've got some lovely wood to go on the front, so it'll make it look much better. It's just the carcass, basically, of what's going to be hung on the wall. But yeah, it looks like a kitchen cupboard, so I'm happy with that. It's getting a bit like I'm a celebrity here with all the flies and bugs around, so I'm going to head inside and put some aircon on, even though my missus is saying it's cold. Don't know what she's on, but still. So that's it for today. Come back tomorrow and we'll hopefully finish this off. Maybe we'll do some other cabinets that are going on. There's one up the side with the oven and the microwave and a couple of cupboards, and also the countertop with the sinks going, so that's got to be done. So yeah, lots to do. Watch your space. See you tomorrow.